Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the lid mechanism. This matters because twisting differs from popping a snap. Once done, empty the mug and briefly run warm water around the lid for about 30-60 seconds to expand seals and loosen residue. Position the mug base against your thigh or a counter and wrap a non-slip cloth around the lid, then apply steady counterclockwise pressure. If the lid resists, stop and reassess rather than forcing. You want controlled force to avoid damage or spills. If the lid still holds, use targeted heat because temperature differentials break the vacuum seal. Pour warm, not boiling, water over the lid for 60-90 seconds to let metal expand slightly. Once heated, use a rubber jar opener or silicone gripper for extra torque. Do not use metal tools that could deform threads. If your mug has a vent or pressure button, press or lift it gently to equalize pressure. Make sure to keep the mug upright so liquid doesn't spill while you work. Finish by applying firm, steady torque while also introducing a slight upward pull. This combined motion helps break the last seal. Once the lid starts to move, continue slowly so you can control any pressurized release. If it remains stubborn, repeat the warm water cycle and wait 2 to 3 minutes between attempts rather than increasing force. Troubleshooting tip. If threads are visibly damaged or leaks appear after opening, stop using the lid and replace it, or contact the manufacturer for a replacement under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.